Audio Jungle.
Hello viewers. How are you? I hope you are doing good. Welcome to my channel laddutricks. In this video I'll show you the WhatsApp users who have visited your profile and data. And you might be in confusion whether, who had seen my profile and everything related. And you might be frustrated about it. Don't bother, I'll help you by reliving your confusion. Let's begin our video. Firstly, you have to install an application. For that you need to go to the Play Store. Search for WhatsApp and install. Open the application after successful installation. Select and continue. Next, you have to enter your WhatsApp mobile number and name and select Let's Go. Hit success. Allow the access for WhatsApp. Wait until it loads. You'll see here mainly 3 access options: Contacts, Visited and Visitor. You have to focus on Visitors, which shows you which WhatsApp user has seen thought profile data. And enjoy the passion of technology in every aspect. That's all. I hope you liked my video. Hit like, comment and share. And if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified in every update from laddutricks. Have a nice day.